So this is the cold pressed oil, as you can see, and this also is a cold pressed oil, but another method of cold pressed oil. And this also is the hot pressed oil. So guys, let's get into making this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Benedetta. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So today's video, I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil in different ways. So first of all, I will just go ahead to peel off the back of the carrots. Yeah, these my carrots. I've washed it, so now I'm going to be using the smaller part to grate the carrot. So I took some part of the carrot and spread outside and I left it for 2 days so it would dry really well. So now this is the carrot after it has dried. As you can see, it's really dry, so there is no water in it. That's why I left it to dry out those water, because we are going to be needing just the carrots, not the water. So I'll transfer it into my jar. So after adding it, I'm going to be adding my oils. I added almond oil, sesame oil, argan oil, and castor oil. You can use any oil of your choice, guys. You can just use one oil for this. You can use just olive oil for this. You can use just coconut oil for this. You can use just sunflower oil for this. You can use one single oil without mixing it the way I did. It will be perfect. Just allow the oil to be on top of the carrots, just a little bit up of the carrot, and then cover the jar and shake it. Leave it for a month, or you can leave it for also 2 weeks, but I left mine for 1 month. So yes, you can see. So this after 1 month. Now I'm just going to strain the oil out. So you don't have to press it very well, so you will get out all the oil that is inside the carrot. cold pressed oil is ready. I would say this method is the best method of making cold pressed carrot oil. So for making this other type of cold pressed oil, I'll be using this jar. I will just take some carrots and put inside the jar. After that, I'll be putting sunflower oil. I'm not doing measurement because I'm just going to pour the oil up to the same level with the carrot. So you can do measurement, but I didn't do any measurement. I'll also add olive oil to it. Just make sure the oil and the carrots are on the same level. So as you can see, they are on the same level. Just cover it and shake it. Boiling water right here. I'm just going to put the jar inside the water, as you can see. So just cover the jar a little, or you can also open it if you like, but this is how I left mine. So I'm just stirring it so the carrots will soak into the oil very well. As you can see, the oil has already changed its color. So it's either you cover it halfway or you remove the cover. So after some minutes, I came back again to turn the carrots, because you really want everything to soak inside the oil. So now our carrot is ready. Our carrot oil is ready. So I'm just going to sieve it out. So first of all, shake it. So pouring it that way, I will make a lot of mess. So I just want to do it like this. So those oil that are in the bottle already are the main oil, because there is no water in it. But this one I'm going to be pressing now is going to come out with water, because you know carrot has water. as you can see the difference from the pure oil and the one that is, these ones are the pure oil, and the one inside the cup is mixed with water from the carrot. So when you press the carrot, then water is going to come out. So the water was mixed with the oil, that is why the face is like this. But there is oil in it, there is oil inside this water, so I will be separating the oil and the water later. These ones are the pure oil that came out from the cold pressed oil. So this is our second cold pressed oil. So now for the hot press, I'm going to be using half cup of olive oil and half cup of sunflower oil. Now I will be putting the remaining of the carrots inside the oil. And I will just stir it to mix everything together. So now the carrot has soaked inside the oil, and as you can see, I just stirred it. And this is how you should look before you turn off the heat. So I'm going to allow it to sit and cool off before straining the oil out. So I'm just straining the oil out now. The cup strainer was slow for me, it wasn't fast enough, so I'm just going to transfer it into this net cloth so it will be faster. These are the oils that we made today. This is the one that was mixed with water. As you can see, it has already separated. I'm going to be removing that oil on top. Yeah, you can see the oil on top. So this is the water and the oil. This is the first cold pressed oil, and that small bottle is the hot pressed oil. So these are the oils that we made today. So this one that is mixed with water, you have to remove it that same day, else the oil is going to smell, so you have to remove the oil from the water that same day and add it to the oil. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. But every man is tempted when he is drawn away of his own lust and enticed. James 1:14.